Thank you, Cindy.
So here is the People's Square, and this is the center of the downtown area in Shanghai. Here first you can see there are a lot of buildings, and this is a subway, subway station, and this is the Shanghai architecture, the city design center, and this building, I don't know what's the name, but the shape is very interesting, right?
Yes, it is. Wow.
And here you just can like that one, just like a ship.
Yes.
Spaceship.
A flying saucer.
Yeah. This is a Radisson Hotel. It's a hotel. And this is the very big shopping mall here in Shanghai called Capitoland.
Thank you very much, Guide Cindy. And don't desert me on the subway. I'll never find my way back.
And this is the Shanghai Museum.
Thank you.
Taking bus from the People's Square to the Yu Garden here.
Thank you. Rabbits. Yes.
Some kinds of rabbits
And thanks to Cindy, I know that this lion is female.
Yeah. kind of god in China that means the god of the whales. Because the star is kind of the shape of the cloud. The cloud in the sky.
Ah, yes.
小笼包和3丁包是我们店特色，还有这种拉糕，
小笼包和
这种小笼包很好吃，小笼包、扬州3丁包，还有这桂花拉糕，这个烧饼，这种锅盖面小馄饨，还有这边还有菜。
这样吧，我先点一个这个，
点个关东包，点个小笼包。
点一个小笼包。然后
Cindy ordered me.
how's that?
Oh, that's good. It's hot. It's hot, but it's good. Oh,
It's very hot.
how can it get so hot?
Yeah, very
It's the
hot.
hottest thing I've ever tasted. Oh, but so good. Wow.
Oh, the battery is very low.
Oh no, you're kidding. Oh, ah.